when should a company sell its accounts receivable? Why? Any other alternative option? Yeah, great question. So for those of you not familiar with accounts receivable, it basically means if you're a company and you sell something, and instead of your customer giving you cash, they say, hey, I'll pay you later. I'll pay you later. Or you give them 30 days to pay it, whatever it is. So that's an account. My customer's an account. And I need to receive that. And this account's receivable. And so what happens is a lot of times companies can't collect money from certain people that they sell to or certain companies. So what they do is they package up that accounts receivable and they sell it, or they partner with a claims collection company that's going to collect that money. And what happens is, and it's happened to me before too, I've been on the other side of that phone. When I was a kid in Canada, and I went to McGill University, you were able to get credit cards without having a credit rating. And so I had a couple credit cards and I used the proceeds to invest in a company that did well, whatever. One of them was American Express. And I remember I went to a store, it was called Moto Photo in Canada, to get pictures developed. And they cut my credit card in front of me because it was past due. It was terrible. But I remember there was somebody from a claims department that called me on the phone who was really, really rude. Rightly so, I guess, a little bit. But it was a claims department that Amex had outsourced that to. And he was mean on the phone. He said, you have to pay now. I was like, oh my God, is this the mafia? No, he wasn't like that. He was a bit rude though, a bit firm. And eventually I paid. But you don't have to pay the full amount sometimes. Sometimes you can negotiate to pay a bit less. And so what I would say is if you have your own company and it's taking you way too long to try to collect money from customers, and you're not focusing on your core competency, meaning the reason why you're in business, then I would consider outsourcing that to a collections agency.